Hello, this is Cleta Colson-Eyre, and I am a sales director with Mary Kay and have been in the company for over 33 years. I joined when I was a baby. Anyway, I want to thank you for taking a couple minutes of your time today to help your consultant out or your friend out. Chances are she is one of my consultants in my unit, and she asked you to just take a look at the starter kit and give us your honest opinion on it. So thank you. Thank you for just giving us a few minutes of your time today. So just a little bit more about me. I have been in the company for 30-something years, and I joined right out of college. I had a full-time job in my field, which was in computers, and tried the product, loved the product, went to a sales meeting and thought, you know what, this could help me make some extra money. And this is something that never in a million years would I have thought that I would have done. As a former basketball player and someone who was really not into the beauty scene, this is far from what I thought my life would be. But I tried the products, and when it was so awesome, and I saw the business opportunity where you could put God first, family second, and career third. You can make 50% of everything you sell. And actually, after my very first week, I made more money doing Mary Kay with my parties than my full-time 40-hour-a-week job. So you guys, I just loved it. I worked it part-time for a couple years, and then I ended up getting with a gal that won a free car in 6 weeks. And I thought, wow. So I decided to step my business up to another level and share the opportunity as well as the products. And even though I was making a good living just selling, when I started sharing the opportunity, a lot of extra perks came, like winning a free car. And now I'm actually on my 16th free car with Mary Kay, one of those beautiful pink Cadillacs. And so the rest is really history. It's better today than even when I started. You got to think I started before cell phones. So I want to show you the starter kit. I want to tell you a little bit about what comes in it. And when we get done, you may decide this is something you might like to do. Either way, you're helping your consultant out. So first of all, this is what comes in the starter kit. This is the starter kit. A picture of it is a beautiful bag. It's got a flip chart in it, all of the products that you see right here. And it's actually over almost $400 worth of products in it for only $100. The flip chart that comes in it is really nice because all you have to do is open this up, and it has the page where you show your guest, and then the other side of the pages is what you read. So even if you're not schooled in beauty and glamour like I certainly was not, you have all the tools you need to be able to have a skincare presentation and show some women about our fabulous products. Also, it comes with a couple of little placemats. One is something that I desperately needed, was a little glamour placemat, and it shows the products that you can order and tips on how to do your makeup, which I needed. And it has a skincare one as well. So Mary Kay really just gives you all the tools you need in the starter kit, brochures, everything, just to make you be a successful beauty consultant. The bag in itself, to me, is worth the money. This is the bag. Isn't that gorgeous? And so it's like a designer bag that you would purchase. When you sign up to sell Mary Kay, you purchase the kit, it's $100, and then you can immediately start making money, immediately start making 50%. And you know, for me, I did not get into this to make a lot of money. I just thought if I could make $50 a week, get my own products for half price, I would be a happy camper. And so for me, it changed. And so you never know, you could come into this and say, I really would like to make a lot of money with Mary Kay. I'd like to win a free car, drive a pink Cadillac, go all the way to the top. Or you could say, I'd like to get my products at half price. I'd like to make $100 a week, $50 a week, and just see where it would go from there. Either way, we have all kinds of consultants in Mary Kay. And so what we'd like to do is just get your opinion on it. This company is stable, been around for over 50 years, and we are always looking for new people to join us. And I want you to take it as a compliment that you were invited to watch the video. So if you will, you can just fill out this little form, and you just put A, I like the video, I like the products, I just rather be a customer. B, I'm intrigued. Buy me a cup of coffee. I'll see. I'd like to get some more questions answered. Maybe something I'd like to do. Or C, sign me up. I'm ready to roll. I'm ready to become a consultant. So you could fill that out. And also there's just a thing that says if you have a question that we can answer. So I'm sure this is very concise little video. I did not talk a lot on it. So you could ask a question, and that will help me and your beauty consultant just be able to follow up with you afterwards. And just by doing this, you are helping her in her leadership training, and I certainly appreciate your time. May God bless you, and always think pink.